So when you come in June, suppose you are starting your preparation. So the first thing what you have to do is you have to cover your basic NCERTs. That is very important. That will make your base understanding of all the subjects, history, polity, social science and everything. So reading NCERTs is very important, and you have to be very thorough with the NCERTs. Don't just read them to finish those NCERTs. Read them to understand them in a very better way. So that is very important. In June, the first thing you should do is start with the NCERTs. Some people ask this question whether coaching is required the moment you enter this UPSC preparation, whether coaching is required or not. So I'll say that in the starting, coaching helps you in putting you in a particular direction because a lot of things are required to study. So
फर्स्ट वी नो अबाउट द सिलेबस एंड पैटर्न। पहले आपको पैटर्न जानना पड़ेगा, कैसे एग्जाम होता है, सिलेबस और क्या बुक पढ़ना है आपको। उसके बाद आप अच्छे से तैयारी कर सकते हैं। ऐसे पूरी जानकारी के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें। धन्यवाद।